name is Cherie at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for your interest in our pre-owned department. You are allowing us to help you with that investment in your future, and I cannot be happier. Come on in, let's take a closer look at this 2016 Toyota Camry that you chose, which is the Midnight Black Special. Come on in. As you can see, the body is in really great condition. You have the great Toyota emblem in the front. The grille is actually the same color as the vehicle. You have great headlights as well as fog lights, really good tires. As we pan down the side of the vehicle, you see it again, it is in excellent condition. As we go into the interior of the vehicle, you'll notice that it is actually oysters, which is half leather, half cloth, and it's gray. It is in really great condition. As we go to the steering wheel, you see that you have Bluetooth capability, cruise control, and you can adjust your music. You have an extra little information center in the center right here. I don't know if you can see that very well, but right over here where the display screen is actually a bigger screen. It is touch screen. You also have Bluetooth as well as backup camera, which is really cool. You have a CD player, FM, AM radio, you name it, this vehicle has it. I know you saw it online. That price, that low miles is not going to be here long with this Camry SE. I need you to come on down today, take it for a test drive. As you can see, it also has a spoiler on the back, so it gives it a little something extra. This vehicle is in great condition. It needs a new home. I need you to come on down today while it's still here. So come on down to 1591 Montgomery Highway in Hoover, right across from the big Wells Fargo Bank on Highway 31. My name again is Cherie at Tameron Hyundai. The phone number is 205-380-6250. Or better yet, text me the time you're going to be here, and I can have it ready for you when you get here, the heat going high. That number is 205-702-1029. Here at Tameron Hyundai, you are going to love the way you treat it. Can't wait to see you.